Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a WhatsApp business account linked to Facebook Business Manager, a verified phone number, and a chatbot backend that supports webhooks. Once those are in place, register your app in Facebook Developer, add the WhatsApp product, and request access to the WhatsApp Business API. Then generate a permanent token or configure OAuth as required. Make sure to record your business ID and system user token. They're needed immediately when configuring the webhook and phone number in the next step. Next, connect the phone number to the WhatsApp API or your chosen provider, then configure webhook endpoints in the Facebook Developer Console. Provide a publicly accessible HTTPS URL and a verification token, and subscribe to message and status events. Once the webhook is verified, implement handlers on your chatbot. Parse incoming JSON, map text and media to intents, and prepare template responses for notifications. Test end-to-end with a sandbox or test number, and log requests so you can iterate on payload. To go live, submit message templates for approval and ensure compliance with WhatsApp policies. Use those templates for outbound notifications. Then move your phone number from sandbox to production, update tokens if needed, and monitor delivery reports, error codes, and rate limits. If something fails, first check webhook SSL and reachable URL, then confirm token validity and permissions, and validate template formatting. If you still see issues, inspect logs for specific error codes and retry logic. Fixing those typically restores message flow quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.